This brand is made in America by GE Appliances, which is majority owned by the Chinese company Haier. All of the units feature louvered panel construction, which is the best way to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage due to objects thrown by a lawnmower or from hail damage. They have an antimicrobial drain pan to resist mold formation, and it has a built-in float switch to shut the unit off if the condensate drain becomes clogged. The guarantee on the units is not as good as many brands, and the units use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. The NP14G models combine a basic 14-seer air conditioner with a basic single-stage 81% AFUE gas furnace, while the NP16G units have premium 2-stage air conditioners with premium 2-stage gas furnaces. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category.